my channel The Blush Babe. My name is Mrunmayee and welcome to another vlog. So as you guys can already see from my face that I've just woken up and I haven't done anything yet, so I'm really feeling very lazy today. This vlog is going to be very random. There are a few things that I want you guys to know and I want to give you a life update and what is exactly going on in my life right now and around my life right now. So that's pretty much what this vlog is gonna cover. Okay, so I am back and please ignore my hair, like they look terrible and I know that, and they have become like super unmanageable these days. I don't know why. I don't even wash them frequently because I've heard that they become super dry if you wash them continuously. So I don't do that, but still they look so dry and so dead. I don't know why. So yeah. So as I told you guys, I'm going to talk about a few things that have been happening in my life and around me. And it's been like 7 months since the lockdown had started. A lot of things have changed since then. Like a lot of people I know have changed, a lot of situations have changed, and it's really frustrating sometimes. I mean, I don't know if this has happened in your life, but it has happened in my life and in the people's life who are around me. So it's really, frustrating to see people change so quickly, and this lockdown and this pandemic has really forced people to do a lot of things that are not really good. So we're gonna talk about it. A lot of negativity is spreading since then, like a lot of negativity is spreading since then. Like people are losing their jobs, people are losing their relationships, people are losing their minds, of course, and it's really sad. I mean, there's so much negativity going on around. There's not even a single ray of hope or positivity. So I've heard this a lot of people, they just come to me and they tell me that you at least know how to do makeup, you're good at this, you're good at that, and we're not even that. So one thing I would like to tell you guys is that I did not learn makeup overnight, or I did not grow the love for makeup overnight. It took me a very long time. I mean, even I have gone through a lot of problems since I started doing makeup, and it was really difficult for me as well. So it's not like I've been learning it since like a lot of years. I've been learning makeup from YouTube and I did not join any course or any classes for that. I just learned it because I really love it and I am learning each and every day. So like if you're passionate about it, you don't need a particular person to come and teach you. You can learn it by yourself, you can practice and you can learn. It's very easy if you see that way, and if you're really negative about it, you will never ever learn the thing. Some people, just come to me and they're like, oh, you at least have a YouTube channel, or to spend your time. We have nothing with us, and etc. So I had to create the channel, okay? Nobody came to me with it and just gave it to me like, take this channel and do your own shit. So it's really irritating sometimes, like not sometimes, a lot of times it's very irritating, and I keep losing my mind because of things like this. So yeah, that's the update so far. And one more thing, my skin is doing really bad these days. Like you guys can see, I have a few bumps over here. They're not pimples or acne, but yeah, there are a few bumps on my face, maybe because it's the time of the month. And my hair is also not doing that great. My mind is not doing that great, to be very honest. This pandemic has literally disturbed a lot of us, most of us, I mean, financially, emotionally, mentally, physically, everything. The sleep schedule has literally changed. It has devastated completely, and it's really difficult to hold on to a thing. Even talking about YouTube, I had a lot of things in my mind when I started the channel. Like I wasn't really sure if I could ever even get 100 subscribers, because I thought like, who will watch my content, who will watch me blabbering all the time in front of the screen. So I was really negative about it for a few days. but my mom really helped me through it, and my parents overall helped me through it. Also, you guys supported me so much. I'm super thankful to all of you guys who have supported me throughout, and without you guys I wouldn't have really been this confident and this motivated all the time. So as you guys already know, the lockdown started by the end of March, I guess, and I started my YouTube channel on 1st June, and I've been planning about it since the last month of May, I guess. And it took me like 2 months, like 2 freaking months to even think about starting a YouTube channel. So yeah, it does take time, it does take a lot of patience, a lot of confidence, a lot of guts to actually do it, because it's not really easy to make videos. You don't have to just make videos, you know, you have to edit them, you have to look at them again and again, so that you have to cut the parts where you feel bored, so that the audience do not feel the same. And it is kind of a hard work, so it has kept me going through this quarantine. Although I feel really good that I finally started my YouTube channel, even though I have a small family of you guys, but we will grow, I'm sure. And I really feel amazing when you guys comment on my videos. Like, it feels super amazing. So please don't stop doing that. And if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel of your own, I would say just go for it. Do not overthink about it, just go for it. Like, this is the perfect time you could ever get to start your own journey, be it on YouTube, be it without YouTube, off camera, or anything that you like. Just go for it, because you will not get so much time again. The lockdown is lifting up slowly, and hopefully things will get back to normal very soon. And I think that's enough of the chatty session today. So it's, I guess, let me just see the time. So yeah, it's 11:30 and I'm gonna take shower, because I feel really terrible right now. I don't know why, but I do. So I'll see you after that. Hello guys, so I am back and it's almost 11 p.m. I did not vlog anything for the rest of the day because I did not do anything as such. So I thought there's no point in extending the vlog unnecessarily. So I just skipped through it. So this was a very random vlog. As I already told you guys, I did not have a lot of things to do. I just wanted to share some things with you, so I thought I would vlog. And as you guys can see, this is the Amazon dabba. And I have told you guys previously that I bought a lot of stuff from Amazon recently, and I've been ordering for like 2 to 3 months now. The reason, because we were planning to move to our old apartment, but we just postponed it because there were a lot of positive cases around us in our neighborhood, and we just wanted to be safe. So we thought we would just postpone it or maybe skip it for now. So since I bought so many things on Amazon, I thought I need to make a haul video. And since there were so many things, I thought I'd make 2 parts of it. So the first part is already out on my channel. If you haven't checked it out yet, I'll put it in the iCard above. And the second part is coming very soon. It will consist of a lot of technical stuff, also a lot of kitchenware. So stay tuned for that. And my skin looks a little okay right now. It's better than the morning, but I do have a lot of bumps over here. And they will go eventually, I know that, but yeah, the skin is not doing great at all. Also, I have been facing a lot of emotional and mental health problems recently. Maybe because of my mood swings and all the negativity around because of this pandemic thing. But yeah, I'll be fine soon, so don't worry about that. And if you face the same, you need to talk to someone, like talk to your mom, talk to your friends, talk to anybody you know. So in my case, I love to talk to my mom about every single thing. So she is my savior all the time. And yeah, that's it for the vlog, I guess. So I will see you guys in my next video. And if you like this vlog and if you want me to do more such chatty sessions, then please let me know in the comments down below. I read all the comments and I would reply to you guys. Give it a big thumbs up, share it with all your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, do not forget to hit the notification bell down there, so that whenever I come up with a video, you will get notified. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, hello, my name is Mrunmayee. I come up with videos every Monday and Friday at 11. So stay tuned for my next video. I will see you guys on Monday. Until then, bye bye.